I'm Jade, and I will be describing the properties of matter. First up, we have liquid. Liquid is not rigid. It's not a fixed shape or fixed volume. It depends on what shape the object is in. For it, it can change easily by adding a simple sugar. It changes its chemical composition, making the water sweet like sugar. Tasty. Next up, we have solid. Rigid, fixed shape, and fixed volume. It cannot be changed or squished, but it can and be changed. If you break it, it can change into different shapes. Next up, we have abilities to conduct heat and electricity, like this copper pan. It absorbs heat from when it's heated up to cook things. It can also absorb electricity since it's made of copper. And lastly, we have gas. Hold on. Lastly, we have gas. Not a rigid, not fixed shape, or no fixed volume. Gases are many types. This gas is used to make heat for cooking. Now, I will explain a little bit more about matter. You see, here's an example for hardness. Diamond is the hardest mineral. It is so hard that it is used to drill bits. Its metallic is the softest mineral. It is so soft that you can crumble it with your finger. Diamond is the hardest mineral, so hard that it is used to drill bits, metallic, and softer minerals. It is so soft that you can crumble it with your finger. Freezing and boiling point. Antifreeze have a higher building point and lower freezing point than water. It is used to car or cooling systems to keep them cool in floods. In a liquid state, it is plain water were used instead. It might build in hot weather or freezing cold weather. Ability to conduct heat and electricity. Aluminum is good to conduct heat. Wood is not that why this pot is made of aluminum. And the spoon is made of wood with copper. It is good conductors of electricity. Plastic is not. That's why wires inside a cable are made of copper, and the outside a carbon is made of plastic. Ability to dissolve other substances. This white sand may look like sugar, but it doesn't dissolve. It's water and sugar. That was in my previous scene. Physical properties can be observed or measured without changing the identity of the substance. Chemical properties can be observed or measured in the substance changing in the identity.